Snow is falling soft and near. Winter's voice is faint, sincere. Frosted branches still and white guard the silence of the night. Dream of winter pure and true. Let your spirit carry through. In the stillness I remain till the world will bloom again. Crystal shining cold and bright, glow beneath the fading light. Winter hums her final song, whispering that spring is long. Frozen rivers, frozen skies. Winter sleeps but never dies. In her dream the world will keep gentle snow to fall asleep. Last of winter fade away. Morning brings a brighter day. But tonight in shadows deep, winter sings the world to sleep.